Hi, I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team. In this video, we will be going over the live demo funnel blueprint. Now, this funnel can be used in several different ways to promote your products and or services. Now, the live demo funnel has 3 different pages. Now, first, you have the live demo page. This is where you will showcase your live video or replay promoting your products and or services with subscribe and buy now buttons so that your customers can take advantage of your offers. Now, once they elect to share their information and they click subscribe, what we recommend is for it to trigger a pop-up. Now, this pop-up is going to allow them to, again, subscribe and or make a purchase of the product that you featured in the live video. Now, your thank you page, once they subscribe, it can take them to that first product, right, that you're actually doing a live demo on. Now, remember, this pop-up is exactly that. It's a pop-up. So in addition to your primary product or service that you have or that you're promoting in the live video, once they close this pop-up window, it's going to also allow them access to the other promotions that you have on that front page. So again, there are so many different ways that you can utilize this. You can change it up, you can tweak it, you can also add it to additional funnels. Now, for this example, we're going to hop right in and just show you exactly what it would look like once we trigger this funnel. Here we have the live demo funnel that I created inside Cheetah. I want to just cover the basics and show you a few ways you can do this. Now, you have a catch bold headline at the very top, right? Really featuring and getting people excited about the live demo. Now, below that, you have a straight to the point subheadline. And here is your live video content, or maybe even your replay content. Again, just depending on how you set this up. Now, depending on your live demo, whether it's a product or service that you want them to take action, well, here's the call to action button. Now, what's recommended here is that when they click on here, it's going to open up a pop-up window that's going to allow them to subscribe. Now, once they're done subscribing, they're going to then be redirected to that first offer. And from there, the opportunity is endless. Once they land on that first offer, you can direct them to additional offers. Now, just as a reminder, this is a pop-up. So let's say, for example, they close that pop-up window. They can also continue to take a look at what you have displayed here on your page. Now, you can do several things here. You can have past live demos. Since this is a live demo, for example, you can also have pre-recorded past live demos that they can go through, or you could just simply have additional products or services highlighted right down here below. Now let's take a look at the subscribe now button and prepare the trigger to pop up. So on the button, just right click and then simply select the set link button or icon. And here you have your different options on where you want to take them. Now again, you could do it your way. You can send them wherever it is that you feel you want to send them. But for this example, we're going to use the pop-up menu. Now, if you don't have a pop-up already set, what you could do is select the create new pop-up button down below. And what that's going to do, it's going to allow you to name the pop-up so you can select it and kind of keep that rhythm going. Now, what you would have to do is, of course, save your work. And then once you've saved it, what you would do is go back to your home page and then go to pop-ups. Now, here's your home page overlooking all of the pages inside your website. What you would do is just go here to pop-ups and then go in and edit the pop-up. So let me go in here and then just show you a simple template that I picked from going to add, going to panels, and then the call to action. I kind of selected this template here. Now again, you want to keep it consistent, have an amazing headline, go here, and then just go in here and pull in your email marketing form. Right click on the email marketing form, select the set link, go in here. While they're pending subscribe, what you could do is go in here and, well, where do you want to have them go? Right, so for this example, I'm going to select page, and I am going to still, no matter what, have them go to that first offer. Subscribe confirm or subscription confirmed. Still, I'm going to have them go to the page, still go to that offer, and then unsubscribe. I'm going to just leave it at no action. Okay, so once they subscribe, no matter what, they're going to go to my first offer page. Okay, so now that we've done the pre-work, let's just go take a quick preview, and we're just going to go ahead and save this here. Okay, so here's the live page. Here is where you will have your live video or your video replay. Now here, again, you can have past replays, or you can have current products so that your visitors can also take advantage of and buy now. Each one will lead to its own super checkout page. Now, so if I go up here and click here to subscribe, a pop-up opens up. So again, I have the option as a visitor to still go here and purchase additional products. Or if I choose, I can go in here and hopefully enter my information. Once I select buy now, what that's going to do is that's going to take me to the offer of my video, my live video. And then from there, the opportunity is endless. And that is how the live demo funnel works. I hope you found the content in this video helpful. I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team.